Hey, what's up everyone? Maybe you know that Nothing is a company that some months ago announced their first phone, which is Nothing Phone 1, along with their Nothing Android launcher. And here you can see that Nothing launcher on you can try even on your any Android devices. So here is that launcher. And I think it's pointless because there is no new feature at all. Only these three widgets that you can see with that Nothing font, and if you swipe up you will get the app drawer, but it's exactly like the similar with Android 12 launcher. I don't see much difference there, only these three new widgets. And if you go to this home setting of that launcher, here you can see it's home setting with that Nothing font and that notification dots, and there's literally nothing feature at all. You can't even change the Android your applications icon, which you can change using any third-party launcher. So this launcher is completely pointless, and I want to show the only feature that this Android Nothing launcher has and other launcher doesn't have this. So if you put any your application icon on your home screen, and if you want to enlarge, here you can see this is the only feature you can use on your this Nothing Android launcher. So I don't think it's necessary, just change the outlook and nothing at all. So like the name, it does nothing at all, and I think it's totally pointless of this Nothing launcher. And though it's in beta, you can try from Play Store if you want to, and I think in their future update they definitely gonna add some new features, otherwise it's completely nothing. That's about this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and more videos are coming soon. Peace out.